Sorry, hi, how you doing? I'm here in the dark. I'm not physically fulfilled. You never held it down all night. And you're selfish cause you always think your ass is always right. And you never see the lesson when it's right in front of your eyes. Are you writing this shit down? Cause baby boy, I think it's time. Time you learned a thing or two about how to keep a girl like me with you. Time you learned growing up ain't just nothing if you're not evolved. I didn't sign up for this, acting like your time's more valuable. When I sacrificed blood for you, I sacrificed blood. Write this shit in your notebook, baby, cause you never wrote love letters to me. And don't forget all the things I have taught you. You'll need it for someone who isn't me. Ain't me. Sorry, I'm smoking. Oh, there's people in the street. Get out the street. Weirdos. Sorry, you're not weird. Oh! Smoking, no! I hate having hiccups, honestly. I know you guys really like it, but some of you. But I'm in the car and I can't do it. I can't do it. I can hit this slow. I don't really want them. I just want to sing. Sorry. Why are you right in front of my... Sorry, hold on. Oh, man. I'm sorry, I'm fine. They're right on my ass. And you're selfish cause you always think your ass is always right. And you never see the lesson. Sorry, hold on, I'll get there. I think I'm not gonna get rid of them at this point. I tried. I usually try to hold my breath for, I mean, I can't hold my breath for a minute. I'm not some kind of like cave diver or anything, you know. But if I hit a cigarette, I knew it was the end of me. I did. I knew it was the end. Sorry, it combines. Oh, it hurts so bad, but it's so funny to me. Yeah, that's right. You better turn. You better turn. And you never see the lesson when it's right in front of your eyes. Are you writing this shit down? Cause baby boy, I think it's time you learned a thing or two about how to keep a girl like me with you. That was perfectly... Hold on. I have to hold my nose. It hurts. I know you want me to hiccup, but it literally hurts my diaphragm and my throat. And my body rejects it. I don't want to do it. I know you like it, but shit. What am I supposed to do when it hurts? Ugh. Ugh. If I keep hiccuping... Hold on. If I keep hiccuping these cigarettes, I'm gonna have problems. I don't smoke very often. I smoke, I don't know, maybe 6 a day. You're going too fast. Too fast! Relax. You relax. Jesus, fuck me. Look at these people just fucking chilling. Sorry. I can't help it. And as soon as I go in here, they're gonna be like, oh, here she is. I'm the queen of sheets. I am. I really am. Acting like your time's more valuable. When I sacrifice blood for you, I sacrificed blood. Write this shit in your notebook, baby, 'cause you never wrote love letters to me, Don't forget all the things I have taught you. You'll need it for someone who isn't me. Ain't me. To relax. You need it for some. Oh. I'm not physically sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. If you're Canadian, sorry. I'm gonna crack my neck. I'm sorry. I've been saying sorry. I've turned half Canadian. My neck really hurts though. Once I get home, I'll show you all my yoga books. I got some books on yoga and stretching and stuff to fix my neck and whatnot, because sometimes I have some problems. I'm trying to pull my freaking pants up. Not that they're falling down. I like to wear them. I like to keep my. I like to pull my pants up like I'm expecting a flood, and I slick my hair over like it's covered in mud. Sorry, hold on. It was the smoking. This is my cue. My cue to stop smoking. Sorry, I was looking at this person. Oh shit, they looked at me. I'm scared. Oh, sorry, why am I saying sorry? I keep holding my nose. Oh, that was a good breath. Good breath. Yay. Sorry, my hair is very messy. I had it braided earlier and I was doing some stuff. I'm gonna go get some, I'm excited. I'm gonna have long, luscious mermaid hair. Yes. Yes, I am. It's gonna be beautiful. And I can take it out whenever I want. You know why? Because it's extensions, biatch. I have black ones, but I'm kind of stupid because I never thought to buy the platinum ones. And oh, hold on. Ugh. Oof, I can dye the platinum ones, which means that they're blonde and I can dye them this color, and then I can have really long hair. It'll be like down to here. It'll be super fantastical, phasmatical, mathematical. I shouldn't have done that. Why did I do that? So stupid. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really stupid. I kind of want to finish this cigarette. Cigarettes, if I start hiccuping and I try to stop, I'm never going to be able to stop. I can't. I can't stop. Oh. See, I'm in my car by myself. I'm not Ubering today. I don't need to Uber. I keep trying to hold my nose because it helps me quit. But I want to finish this cigarette. And cigarettes make me hiccup. That's some namaste shit. It was some namaste shit. It was some namaste shit. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not. I'm sorry, not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Hold on. I need to put my window down. Music. I haven't taken a breath. Sorry. Oh, it's burning my eyes. Sorry. Stop saying sorry. I gotta stop apologizing for shit. Sorry, my window's down. That kind of reminds me of my boyfriend right there. He walks just like my boyfriend. Just like my boyfriend. You go little rock star. Don't get hit by that car. Oh, I thought he was gonna get hit by a car. Don't do it. Don't do it, Madison. Don't do it. Oh, my cigarette's out. Sorry. If I apologize to you one more time, I'm gonna end the video. Sorry. Hold on. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I hate this. I've gone so long without them. No. No. Oh, I got a good breath. Hear the music? can't go with sheets like this. Oh. Oh. Hurt. This person with the matching card in my hair. I gotta stop them. Somehow. Hold on. You wanna see how I stop them? I'm gonna try. That was a good try. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna stop them. I'm gonna stop them. I'm gonna stop them. I'm gonna stop them. Oh, sorry. I thought the scar on my eye moved. Scar here. What? Look, she's pumping her gas. You wanna see some bitch pumping gas? Wait, what happened? Pumping gas? I got too excited. I can't help it. She didn't even close her. Oh, it hurt. Hold on. Oh, that hurt. Oh, I got a good breath. It's hard. It hurts. Oh. It really hurts. I need a good breath sometimes, you know? Don't judge me, ho. I got 2 pimples. Pimple. Pimple. Pimple? No one will ever call me stupid with my big ass forehead. Oh, she finally shut her car door. Damn, she is like, she was ready to fucking go. Fuck. Oh no. Oh shit, someone replaced her instantly. That's how easily replaceable you are. Sorry. Stop saying sorry. No more sorry. Madison. Look yourself in the eyes, Madison. before I get a hiccup again, I just noticed my car is overdue for an oil change. There's a sticker. Oh shit. I'm gonna go on the sheets now. If I get distracted, I think my hiccups will go away. I think they might be gone. They very well might be gone, okay? So, ow. I somehow punched myself in the titty. I don't know why. I meant to do something and my arm hit this, and then I punched myself in the titty. And they kind of hurt right now, because I'm in that phase, okay? I'm in that phase. I'm getting a sandwich. I'm excited. I'm gonna give me a sandwich. I had a good day. I had a really good day, actually. I mean, a lot of times, let's be honest here. Most times when you have a good day, you're not on Facebook. You're not on YouTube. You could be. Also, you can have a good day and be on Twitch, because that's probably what I'm going to do when I get home. If it's not too late. I don't even know what time it is. But I am really sure my hiccups are gone. And hold on. Oh, sorry. Oh, I thought I was going to sneeze. I slam you so hard, you'll think you're on Nickelodeon. Can't help it. If it wasn't for my stupid 2 pimples and the fact that I haven't washed my hair in like 3 days, which is normal. When you have dyed hair like this, not washing it for a few days is literally perfectly normal, okay? So, it's normal because oh shit. This is kind of sexy, beautiful. It doesn't look like it in here, but in real life, god damn. Not very good shadows here. Or there. Or here. Or anywhere. But anyway. Kind of like this. Watch this. Oh, sorry. This is my lipstick. It's my lipstick. Oh. Hey, stop watching me, you sicko. He's a real sicko here, isn't he? Boy. Good boy. Okay, I gotta go in the sheets before they kick me out. Except they love me here. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Sorry my hiccups ended. And I tried to make them end because they hurt really bad. Have a good night.